Now, the system we're going to be installing on Andrew's Stangosaurus today is AWE's Touring Edition catback for your 2018 through 2019 GT with passive exhaust. Now, this is made of 304 stainless steel featuring mandrel-bends and their 180 technology mufflers. Now, this is a patented technology, but what it does is it sound cancels inside the muffler. It has great flow but no drone whatsoever. This system also includes resonators and then your choice of tips. You have the 4-inch double wall chrome tip or the really killer looking 4-inch diamond black. In addition to the 180 technology and the resonators used, one of the unique things about this system is the use of an H-pipe. Now, the H-pipe usually provides a little bit of a deeper tone versus the X. Should sound really good on this Gen 3 Coyote. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, a 13mm deep socket, and a 15mm deep socket. So Andrew's actually never done something like this before, but the nice thing about the 15 through 19, the exhaust is pretty easy to do. We're going to start, loosen up these 4 nuts. Perfect. What you want to do is pop these tabs off. Makes it easier for the couplers to slide off the front pipes. So what we're going to do now is remove these 2 bolts here to remove the rear hangers. All right, an extra set of hands comes in real handy here. What we're going to do is slide the exhaust back, pop it off the tailpipe hangers, and then remove the whole thing. This way. All right, the factory exhaust off. Now we're going to install the factory clamps back on the front pipes. Okay, now we're going to install the H-pipe into the factory clamps and then tighten them down. We're going to reuse the hangers and the factory tailpipes. All right, now we're going to install the resonator mid-pipe. Start by putting the factory hanger back here. And Andrew's going to put a clamp on the front. All right, and then snug it down. We're going to tighten down the hanger bolt. Now we can install the muffler, put a clamp on the front. Put it in the tailpipe hanger. Okay, and snug up the clamp. All right, now we're going to make some adjustments. You want to get it centered in the valance, and we're going to tighten down these bolts. All right, now we're going to install the tips. Make sure the clamps are somewhere you can get to them. And kind of get them where you want and then tighten them down. Got it. All right, repeat the process on the other side and your installation's finished. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, a little louder than I thought it would be. All right, so my first thoughts with this AWE Touring is it's far louder than I thought it was going to be. Yes. We're going to do the track system next, and I'm like, all right, I know AWE track is usually the loud one, but this has got some growl to it.
Yeah, definitely love the pops that it gave us inside as well.
Now we're going to get on the highway here. The one thing we've always liked with AWE with that 180 technology is you don't get any drone on the highway. And sometimes a louder system you sort of get that, but this has a deep tone to it too. I mean, the H-pipe I think is really doing work here, and so far, man, this thing sounds amazing. So what are your thoughts? I know initially you were all about the track system. Now you Thinking maybe the Touring might be the one?
I'm still excited to hear the track, but the Touring definitely impressed me, especially the pops, and a lot louder than I thought it would be, and it was definitely deeper than my X pipe that I currently had on this.
The tone is noticeably deep, and we're used to, like, you know, hearing a Touring from like a Borla or a Ford. They're usually 50 state legal systems, so they keep under that California decibel limit. I don't think the Touring from AWE is concerned at all about the California laws. Get on a little bit. It sounds good going through the gears. What gear are we in here? Now we're cruising speed, though, at 70 miles an hour. Practically gone.
Yeah.
Like
no
really,
drone.
the sound goes away. There's no drone. It's actually quiet, I would say, on the highway. Kind of sounds like a stock muffler with maybe an X pipe, but not even that loud. And I'm sure you give it a little bit of gas, though, and she wakes up in a hurry. Man, that sounds good. I'm going to turn right up here. All right, so definitely not the most ideal day for a test drive.
Not so
we got to
much.
work with what we have, though, and I'm impressed. I mean, I really didn't expect it to be as loud as it is, and it really sounds healthy. What were your thoughts on it?
It definitely surprised me. With the name like the Touring, I did not expect it to be that loud, but yet still quiet when you're at highway speed. So it's really the best of both
that
worlds.
180 technology, man, it just disappears on the highway. I mean, as far as the install goes, AWE, it's top quality stuff. Fit and finish was good. I mean, you never installed an exhaust, and we had no problems at all. I would say give yourself about 2 hours and be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.